What's the best way to get someone to like you? Just be really nice and agree with them, right? Not really. Today, we're skipping the people pleaser rules. We're learning how to actually build a connection. We all want that little click when we meet someone. But here's the secret. Trying too hard is the problem. Being nice often looks weak or fake. The real key is to use psychology so their brain tells them that they like you. Here are 5 proven tricks to make anyone like you. Trick 1. The chameleon effect. Mirroring. Forget the idea that opposites attract. People don't like opposites. People like themselves. The trick is to subtly copy their body language. If they lean back and cross their arms, you wait a bit, then you do the same. If they talk quickly and with their hands, you match that energy. This is called mirroring. Their deep animal brain sees you, feels you're in sync and thinks, this person is like me. They are on my team. It's a non-verbal way of saying, I get you. Trick 2. The Ben Franklin effect. Ask for a favor. You think you have to do favors for them, right? Wrong. That just makes you look like you're trying to buy their friendship. The real trick? Ask them for a tiny favor, something that costs them nothing. Hey, can you pass me that napkin? Can you just watch my stuff for 1 second? Their brain has to figure out, why did I just help this person? The easiest answer is, I must like them. They are literally convincing themselves. Trick 3. The pratfall effect. Show a flaw. Do you think you have to be perfect? That you have to look smart and smooth all the time? No. People don't like perfect. Perfect is annoying. The trick is to first show you are smart and capable, and then make a small harmless mistake. Stumble on a word, spill a tiny bit of your drink, laugh it off. This is the pratfall effect. It makes you human. It shows you're not a threat, and people will feel more comfortable and like you more for it. Trick 4. The listener effect. Let them talk. What's the myth? That you have to be interesting. You have to tell great stories. The truth is, most people are just waiting for their turn to talk. They are obsessed with their own stories. So, let them. Ask simple, open questions. What was that like? What did you do next? And then, just shut up and listen. Research shows that talking about yourself releases dopamine. It feels good. You become the person who gives them that good feeling. Trick 5. The scarcity principle. Be less available. The biggest mistake is to seem too eager, always available, texting back in 2 seconds. People do not value what is always around. The trick is to show your time is valuable. Be the first to end the conversation. Hey, I've got to run, but this was great. Don't always be available for last-minute plans. When your time and attention are scarce, they become more valuable. You're not a convenience, you're a prize. So to recap, forget the simple myths. Mirror their body. Ask for a tiny favor. Show a small flaw. Let them talk. And be a little scarce. And here's the most important part. This isn't about being fake. People can smell a fake from a mile away. This is a tool. It's a way to get past the walls people put up and let them see the real you.